Hello, good afternoon. This is Chun. I am leading the energy workshops. I also do all kinds of the healings. So this weekend, Roots Doings invited me to offer number 2 chakra workshop. So this workshop, 5 hours workshop, we are gonna have a breaks. Will help your root chakra area. So let me share the goals. So if you find, oh, I need this, so then this Sunday is a good opportunity. Number one goal. So if you feel this way, this is the right chance. If you feel often like a caught up in your emotional thoughts that affects your moods and then interactions with others. That's number one. Number two, if you have a trouble staying focused and find yourself doing things on autopilot. Third, if you have this wish for better understanding of energy and how to utilize it in your life. Next, if you want to feel more stable and grounded. Next, if you sometimes feel disconnected from you, others, or the present moment. The last one, if your mind gets consumed by thoughts, tasks, and plans, as well as memories of the past and worries about the future. So if you wanna help those, this is a really good chance. So we're gonna go through like several steps. First step is why should we go in and take energy back to us? And then how can we do that? And then you're gonna identify your center. And then when you go in, then what can happen? And then how you can strengthen your chakras, especially number 2 chakra. So you're gonna learn how to release all tension from your root, the tummy organ area, and then how to create that energy, then how to use it. So that's your internal strength. And then you will get your home exercises. So I'm gonna share all for the 5 hours. So if you find your time, if you have a will, please join us. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.